Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard for Sizzix, and I would like to introduce you to the Sizzix Big Shot machine. Now, this is the white and gray machine, and you might have seen one of our previous machines, the teal, the pink and black, or maybe even the Sizzix Big Kick, that pretty periwinkle. But the best part to know about all of these machines is every single one works the exact same way. Now, it's going to come with 2 cutting pads, and I like to refer to these as the bread because we're going to make sandwiches every time we run something through the machine. It's also going to come with an extended platform. We call this the multi-purpose platform, and it has all of this information on here. I call this our cheat sheet. And I'm going to lift this tab up, and it's going to show me more information about what products to use, and even one more tab for other Sizzix products. So it's really handy to have right next to you. Now, the Sizzix Big Shot machine can cut and emboss, and there are a multitude of products you can use with your machine. Now, over here, we have a lot of different products. We have cardboard, we have chipboard, we have cork, we have foil, we have felt. Anything scissors can cut, our Bigs dies can cut. Now, let's look at the Bigs dies. Now, you might have the Sizzix original machine, the one with the lever that goes like this, and if you do, you might have the yellow, the red, or the blue dies. Now, those dies will fit in the Sizzix Big Shot machine, which is fantastic, right? Then we have the Bigs original dies, the Bigs dies, the Bigs L dies, and the Bigs XL dies. And if you're a quilter, we have these big, large 25-inch dies that will fit in the Big Shot machine. Isn't that fantastic? Now, we also have different kinds of dies that are thinner. These dies will cut cardstock, paper, vellum, and even wool felt. So exciting. We have our embosslets, we have our sizzlets, we have our decorative strips, and then we have our Sizzix framelets and thinlets, these nice thin dies. And last but certainly not least, we have our embossing folders, perfect for adding texture to your cardstock and your paper. So if you don't have the Big Shot machine in your craft room, you definitely need to get one because you know what? I think everybody needs one. Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard for Sizzix, and I would like to introduce you to the Big Shot Plus machine. Now, at first glance, this probably might even look like a Big Shot machine, but let me show you the difference in size. This is our Big Shot machine, and it is a 6-inch opening, and the Big Shot Plus is a 9-inch opening. You can see how much larger this die machine is. And it's fantastic because we have products that are larger that can go through this machine. Now, the Big Shot Plus machine is going to come with an adapter pad that looks like this. There's a couple pieces to it. This is adapter A, and of course it has all of the great cheat sheets on here, so you'll know exactly which products to use on this one. Then we have adapter B, again, that great fabulous cheat sheet that we all know and love. And lastly, the Big Shot Plus platform itself that even has more information on it. So if you ever find yourself a little confused, just look at your cheat sheet and you'll be ready to go. Now, it also comes with 2 large plus size cutting pads. Aren't these fantastic? So these you'll use in your Big Shot Plus machine. Now, the Big Shot Plus machine can do everything the Big Shot machine can do and more. For example, of course it can do the Sizzix Bigs original dies, the Bigs dies, the Bigs L dies, the Bigs XL dies, but it can also do the Bigs Plus dies. Woohoo! Now, it can do the decorative strips, the embosslets, the framelets and the thinlets and the triplets, as well as the regular embossing folders, but it can also do the Textured Impressions Plus folders. Look at how fantastic this is. And you'll see this textured impression is beautiful, nice and deep and completely uniform. It's so fantastic. Stay tuned and we will go through each item and cut and emboss.